My name is Raymond L. Schumann. I'm a partner here at Cobb Cole. I'm basically a real estate transactional attorney. And what that means is I deal with everything from a purchase and sales contract, the negotiation of it. Many of them in the commercial realm have a letter of intent that develops up before the contract is even signed, which is really the negotiation points of the parties. So we've got the purchase and sales contract, we have the closing of the transaction. There's title work that goes with that, and that means researching the title history and seeing how the property is owned and held. Also entailed in real estate transactional or landlord-tenant law and landlord leases with tenants, issues that may come up between the parties, the negotiation of their contract, the renewals, extensions, everything along those lines. With the property itself, you may be dealing with boundary issues or easements issues or use questions. And if you're in a commercial situation, you're in a shopping center, you may have restrictions on your use. What kind of business can I run in there? And so we take a dive into that and help you figure out your options and solutions. And we look to basically facilitate the transaction, get you from point A to point B with a positive mindset. I'm a board certified real estate attorney in Florida for 20 plus years. And what that means is we go through a higher level of education on real estate law. We have to have other attorneys tell the Florida bar they think we're an expert in the field. We have to get recertified every 5 years. And probably roughly 1% or less of the Florida bar are actually board certified in real estate law. I had my own firm for 13 plus years. And I had an opportunity with Cobb Cole because of the sectors that we have within the firm. And by that, I mean, I do real estate transactional, but we also have an environmental section. We also have a land use section. We also have a real estate and association law section. So I can tap into those sections to help my clients close a transaction properly, to achieve the lease terms that they need, to investigate a property and find out what can be done with it and what are the dangers in that property, what are the risks, what do I have to fix. And so having those all within the firm gives us synergy that I can take advantage of for my clients. Just step down the hall and stick my head in someone's office and say, hey, I got a quick question for you. And so I think what's important for anyone who's an expert in the field is to recognize that we're not experts of everything and we don't know all knowledge, but an expert recognizes who to go to, that I need to tap into somebody else. I've got those sources to tap into here, and I think that makes Cobb Cole a great source for people.